Hello everyone, welcome to Gigi and Papa's Kitchen.
Hi kids. Tonight we are making what we call Papa's favorite meatloaf.
Absolutely.
And what I'm doing here is I just have a couple of end pieces of the white bread. Any bread will do. And just cutting it up in little pieces.
Basically we're making our own breadcrumbs.
Yes, sir. Put, I don't know, good little dash of milk.
Little dab of dew, little dab of milk.
Little dab will do, yeah. Push that down.
Gigi's got about
Pound and a half of meat.
pound and a half of ground round.
Let that set just a minute. Into this, I'm going to add some Kinders.
Kinder seasoning, we all love Kinders.
Yes, sir. And, whoops, and we have some Montreal. Another favorite. I have some paprika. And then I have some onion powder. And some parsley.
Yep.
So with all that being said, I'm also going to add some salt and some pepper.
Little salt, little pepper.
Yes, sir. And I'm going to go ahead and add my eggs in.
2 eggs, pound and a half of meat.
Excuse me. There we go, that's in there. So before I get, and also I have a medium to large onion that I just chopped up in my little mini food processor.
Absolutely.
That's going in there. I used to saute my my garlic and my onions, but I don't do that anymore. I like the flavor of it not being sauteed. That's just us.
Absolutely.
Alrighty. Gonna go in with a healthy dose of garlic.
Yep, minced garlic.
Some garlic, I guess is they're calling it today.
Yeah, garlic, you can dice it, you can grind fresh or whatever. We just happen to have a jar of minced garlic.
And so our bread is
Yep.
nice and moist.
Absolutely.
So that's gonna go into the party. And now before we get our hands good and dirty, this is our secret sauce.
Or sauce.
This is about a cup to a cup and a half of regular ketchup. And we're gonna go in with happy little smiley face. The mustard.
Smiley face. That's a face says we're about out of mustard.
Yeah, that's what it says. It says Gigi by mustard.
Yeah, by mustard.
and then
brown sugar.
And I like the dark brown sugar better.
Yes. I like a sweeter taste in my meatloaf.
And I have a brother that lives in New York. And this is his new favorite meatloaf recipe.
Yep.
So
when it comes to the South, we run him.
Yeah, we did. And every time I make it, I think about my dear brother Mike. So I miss him and his beautiful family.
Yep.
Hopefully get to see him soon. Okay, we're just going to mix this up. And we're only going to add, start with a quarter to a third of the mixture.
Quarter to a third. Yeah, always leave a little extra. That way I can put it on my pieces whenever I cut them. Because I like a moist meatloaf. Then you get in there and get to mix it.
Get jiggy with it.
Get jiggy with it. And I'm telling you, there ain't nothing like a great homemade meatloaf.
Oh, it already smells good with all the garlic and the onions. Thank you.
Get it, G, get it.
Trying.
Gigi went in with a little bit more of the sauce.
1 to 2 tablespoons.
She's got the oven preheated at 375 degrees.
And listen, kids, here's a trick that I wish someone would have taught me years ago. When you're making meatloaf, if you can kind of go around and it kind of goes on its own, you're not going to have a dry meatloaf.
Just and you can add bell peppers. You can add anything that you want, any vegetable that you like. You can add it to your meatloaf. It's not going to hurt it. Myself, I just had a oral surgery not long ago, and I can't chew the bell peppers.
Nope.
And we've got a pound of Smithfield bacon.
Yes, sir.
We're going to put it in the oven. Oh, man. We like big, thick cut bacon and a meatloaf. We hope everyone's having a wonderful day.
Me too. Hope that your weather was as pretty today as ours.
Oh, it was an absolutely beautiful day. We hope everyone's healthy, safe, happy.
Hug your family.
Hug your family. Hold your loved ones close. And just
Be thankful.
be thankful for each and every day and everything you have.
Yes, sir.
Yep.
Okay, so I lay down the bacon like this.
Absolutely.
And then I'm going to come in. I don't do mine in a traditional loaf pan. So this is just my way. Doesn't mean it's the right way.
At the end of the day, it's made with love.
Yes, sir, it sure is.
Whether it's right, wrong, it'll be delicious.
It's going to make a good sized meatloaf, Papa.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. Ain't nothing like a good cold meatloaf sandwich the day after.
Yes, sir. So I just kind of, you can twist the bacon if you want. You can do all kinds of different things. This is kind of how I like to do it. Bring it wrapped around. And then we're going to go just like this. See?
Yep.
Just that easy.
Just that easy.
If it comes apart, it comes apart. It's okay.
It ain't gonna matter.
It's made with love. It's homemade, and it's going to be delicious.
Yes, it is.
Look, just push it back together a little bit.
Reform it.
Yep, just reform it some.
Thank y'all for taking the time to watch each one of our videos, giving us a like, a comment, a share. We do appreciate each and every one of you.
Yes, sir. We're going to put this in the oven, kids, at 375.
For how long?
For 45 minutes.
45 minutes, and we will check it and be back. Thanks, y'all. Alrighty, everyone. There is our finished Gigi'S meatloaf. I'm telling y'all,
Look at the inside.
if you like it,
It's
if
just
you like
moist.
meat, oh man, it is absolutely.
Look at that. It's beautiful.
Yep, it is pretty, very pretty. We still got some sauce left to put on it.
Yes, sir.
And we appreciate each and every one of you. As soon as this cools off, just a second, I'll fix take me a big old bite. And here's our scalloped potatoes we're gonna have for the side of our meatloaf. Yum. We're gonna have another video on this too. Please check out our videos. Thank y'all.
Pepper.
Alrighty, Gigi's fixing to take her bite, see how it is.
It's very hot.
Very hot, just come out.
So good. Moist.
Very good, G?
Very good. Delicious.
Absolutely. Alrighty, everyone. Now she's eating my potatoes. We hope everyone has a wonderful day. Thanks again for taking your time to watch our videos. Please give us a like, a comment, and subscribe.
Thanks, kids.
Love y'all. Thanks.